Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to block YouTube and all ads on Chrome using a powerful ad blocking extension. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a side menu with additional extension-related options. From this side menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can find thousands of browser add-ons, including the ad blocker we'll be installing today. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll notice a search bar at the top left of the page. Click on it and type in AdGuard Ad Blocker. This is one of the most effective ad blocking extensions available, and it's specifically designed to block ads across all websites, including YouTube. After typing the name, press Enter or click the search icon to find the extension. In the search results, you'll see the AdGuard Ad Blocker extension appear. Click on it to open the extension's detailed page. This page provides information about what the extension does and user reviews. Once you're on the extensions page, you'll see a blue button in the upper right that says Add to Chrome. Click this button and a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extensions to proceed with the installation. Now, you'll need to wait until the installation is complete. Sometimes this process takes a few moments depending on your internet connection, so just be patient and let it finish downloading and installing in the background. The extension will be added to your browser automatically. Once the installation is done, Chrome will automatically open a new tab with the AdGuard welcome page. This is where you'll set up the extension to work the way you want. On this page, click Continue with Extension to move forward with the setup process. Next, you'll see a configuration screen where you can customize how AdGuard works. Here you have several options you can enable to enhance your browsing experience. You can turn on block trackers to prevent websites from tracking your online activity. You can also enable block social widgets to remove social media buttons and embedded content from websites. Additionally, you can activate block search ads and website self-promotion to eliminate promotional content and sponsored results. If you're comfortable with it, you can also enable Send Anonymized Extension Usage Data and help with development of AdGuard filters to contribute to improving the extension. If you want even more control over the extension's behavior, you can click Extension Settings to adjust advanced settings according to your preferences. This allows you to fine-tune how aggressively the ad blocker works and what types of content it should filter. And that's it! You've successfully installed and configured AdGuard Ad Blocker on Chrome, and now you can browse YouTube and other websites completely ad-free. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.